magic, honoring workers, welcoming spring.
SOMPA FM. Akwaba at the bus SOMPA 106.5 FM. And now we are so another offer Ghana Amanyana to say Padodona Netifi Essence and a May Day celebration. Na and near May Day celebration in Crown. Senate here started saying na home poor crown is saying benefit a woman is saying. And the area you be hearing now. Area made no and so your friend International Workers Day. You celebrate on 1st May every year. I debi I did it to as you say. You debe ana Jumayefo and you promoted their rights on my crew nyina and you try to say it holds both historical and political significance. Originating from the labor movement struggles from the fair working conditions, particularly the fighting for 8-hour working day. And now May Day New Year, Adebia is year in 1886. Near friend the Haymarket route, and no more fighting for 8-hour working day. And no wasem ebe ka ewo presentation. Also, in Ghana, many other countries and many other countries, May Day is recognized as a public holiday, marked by parades, speeches, awards, and renewed advocacy for workers, rights, and better working conditions. And May Day, no, asam no Ghana ubaha to say near course no, omampani a parade, and no koneba Emma or ana Jumayefo kama. You hear historical background of May Day. As the root of May Day traces back to the labor union movement in the late 19th century, notably the Haymarket affair in Chicago, 1886. A hot na a Jumayefo protest here say, "Omu here an 8-hour working day, 8-hour working day." And say, "Okwa Juma no pa." I say 8 hours. And within the 8 hours, you know, I say we get a Juma edrusa and say bro 8 hours. And it's Okwa Juma no pa 8 hours. Therefore, no upon that is within the 8 hours. Juma adena na omo preno. Na sa 1886 Haymarket affair in Chicago no, it caused so many violence. A result kofokra ewu
SOMPA FM.
Na the adoption in 1889, the International Society Congress declared May 1st as the International Workers' Day in memory of the Haymarket Matthias and in support of the workers' struggle worldwide. And in 1989, and Yabeji Tum in 1st May, Ebeye Ewiasi Nina Adia ye celebrating. And to see about Ghana, May Day no your celebration no started after independence. It reflected the country's commitment to labor rights and its ties to global labor solidarity. And to Ghana and so no home assembly. And how May Day is celebrated in Ghana. So Ghana has May Day near celebrating no. Yeah, parades and rallies. Government omampania otisono ebodwa data efre Jumayefo ebo mabaso etu omofo ema new laws and so eto bia otimi initiate that particular time. President man address to say near year and kama address no president in awards ceremonies and so etimi ebemu wobra omoye May Day celebration, team-based celebrations and also cultural displays, anyom tour, asane performance bebre by workers group are very common during May Day celebration. But you call global in Swa. Protests and marches, Ghana no any globally no bibi kakra, because in as much as no you're celebrating no say about parade in nema no a cruise for a mama so for so there omu protest matches a crowful frozen and mostly no so public holidays over 80 countries May Day is celebrated, including Ghana. And a honso assembly. So you have benefits of celebration made there. A minister recognition, you are not recognize a Jumayefo omo contributing omo sacrifice towards national development, awareness creation, It highlights labor issues like fair wages, safe working environment, and social protection. And after solidarity building, it unites workers across industries and sectors in a common cause.
SOMPA FM.
Motivation and moral boost. Motivation near mom sikani niade awards given and recognition. Also and also eka ebi policy advocacy, public-private dialogue. Ninyina eka benefita ye during May Day so. Now you have connection to labor law. The May Day ni labor law no. Connection to say connection be and a dom tem. So we made any labor law now. There's an interconnected there's a connection in between them. Ebini say labor law ni your friend is say made day no and so advocacy for workers' rights. And to make the historical present the struggle for key labor rights like regulated working hours, minimum wages law, and safe workplace. Celebration often comes with demands for updating or enforcing labor law. And no advocacy for workers' rights. And the reflection of existing labor law. Made the labor law no reflected on existing laws. Or mine ma eboa. And my intuition be to say labor law act 2003 act 6519 reflected on labor law and May Day celebration and so wages and salaries in the year 2020 to 2025 near Hesania daily minimum wage increase and decrease maimu. So here 2020 daily minimum wage 11.82. That is effective January 1st 2020. And 11% over that of 2019. 2021 so 12.53 and no chance here June 4th 2021 and then we are 6% over that of 2020 and at 2022 and so 13.53 which was effective on 1st January 2022. It was 8% over 2021. So we are 2023 and so 14.88 and also started January 2023, which was 10% over that of 2022. The year 2024 and we are 18.15 and also started January 1st and we are 22 over 2023's wages. The year 2025 which is 19.95 March year and no ebetoga 10% or man 10%. That one is over that of 2024. And to labor issues frequently and no be ya state and also occupational health and safety, gender equality in the workplace, union rights and collective bargaining, and also May Day celebration on Ninyama. You have opportunities for legal reforms. So government sometimes announce new labor initiative or amendment to labor law during May Day. So during celebration of May Day, no government to me announce new labor laws. Buama or mining and labor union present petitions and resolutions calling for legal changes that improve working conditions. And also during May Day, no. Labor unions now mine to me present petitions Emma Omampeni and nipa biara or share almost Emma sa laws so etimi ebeye eboa ma almost celebrate May Day no. There are challenges aside all the benefit that we get from May celebration, May Day celebration no, there are other challenges say the ma yeni ko oni ehwe a bit is commercialization. Oko amai binu musua omudi edanu deeper ema significance of the May Day ni kura no ye hu so bi se binu ye festivals bi eye niema bi ema sad day ni May Day na ye celebrate ni kura no ye hu ye sheda hu the significance of it and a limited impact on poverty policy. In many cases, demand made during May Day celebrations are not translated into action. And yema omo petition yet to say petition be a omdi comma president and now ejumaya kobino sometimes omo policy no aya na ma omo fa ento edwa senia say and our workers apathy younger generation yeah Gen Z for nansan no etimi say mayday holiday nipa na enjoy but they move SOMPA na ma into a holiday ni ba no as a yen sheda yema yani enko so enti prof say you conclude ya ka say mayday remains a powerful symbol of worker struggle achievement and aspirations. Its celebration helped to maintain focus on labor issues that are central to economic justice and societal well-being. Mayday no and it is intrinsically linked to the evolution of labor law, serving as a reminder of both past victories and ongoing challenges in ensuring fair labor standard. And also and in Ghana, the celebration of May Day strengthened the partnership among workers, unions, employers, and the government, building a more inclusive and just work environment for all. And also a Boama May Day no celebration no kama pa. So at Facebook almost no on some pictures via ya posti Facebook okowa obetimi ahwe May Day celebrations ni bi pictures and and the prof na ne ba May Day celebration no ho asem baby started here baby aya bedru
me da say but ye kwa ho no sisi ara ye ni owura